See the properties in integers, properties of integers. So టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ వచ్చాయండి, టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ తీసుకోండి కంపల్సరీ మన స్కూల్లో. ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటీజర్స్. సో క్లోజర్ ఆల్రెడీ వీ హ్యావ్ కంప్లీటెడ్ ద క్లోజర్. క్లోజర్లో మనకి అడిషన్లో ఇంటీజర్ ఓకే అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ ఆల్సో కరెక్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఆల్సో కరెక్ట్. డివిజన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఇన్ క్లోజర్. ఓకేనా, క్లోజర్లో మనకి డివిజన్ అనేది ఉన్నదండి. సో ఆపోజిట్ డిఫరెంట్ ఆన్సర్స్ వస్తాయి మనకి, డెసిమల్స్లో వస్తాయి ఆన్సర్స్, నాట్ ఆపోజిట్. మనకి కంపల్సరీ ఇంటీజర్స్లోనే రావాలి ఆన్సర్స్. అడిషన్ చేసిన, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేసిన, మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేసిన. ఓకేనా, ఆన్సర్స్ ఎలా వస్తున్నాయంటే మనకి డెసిమల్స్లో వస్తున్నాయి కాబట్టి మనకి క్లోజర్ అనేది మనము కాదని చెప్పచ్చు. ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్లో మనం చూసాం. Today closure is completed, and next commutative law. So what is the next one? Commutative law. So next one is commutative law. Okay, next one is commutative law. Next one is commutative law. In this commutative law, we will see addition, subtraction, and also multiplication, division also. So let us see. So first addition. First of all, we will see the addition. So what is the a plus b is equal to b plus a. So by doing the two terms, okay, two integers. Okay, 2 plus 3. So what is the answer will come? 5. So while you are doing b plus c also, 3 plus 2. So it will become also 5. So LHS equal to RHS must be equal. So that let it be. See one example. Okay, now some integers I am taking. మనకి LHS ఎంత వస్తుందో RHS కూడా నాకు అంతే రావాలండి ఆన్సర్. అప్పుడే మనకి అడిటివ్. ఓకేనా, అడిటివ్ ఇన్ కాంపిటేటివ్ లా అని చెప్పచ్చు, అడిషన్ ఇన్ కాంపిటేటివ్ లా అని చెప్పచ్చు. రాకపోతే డిఫరెంట్ ఆన్సర్స్ వస్తే మనం ఏమని చెప్పాలి? సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఇన్ కాంపిటేటివ్ లా అండర్ అడిషన్. ఈ కాంపిటేటివ్ లా అనేది అడిషన్లో ఉండదని చెప్పగలం. ఓకే, లెట్ us see. I'm taking the examples. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 5. Sorry, 3 plus 2. So take same numbers. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. Okay na, B is equal to 3, A is equal to 2. Okay na, A ni 2 anukunnanu, B ni 3 anukunnanu. So I am writing. So that equal to 5 is equal to 5. So it is correct? Yes, it is correct. So you will take another example. Take another example. Minus 2. Okay na, minus 2. So it will become minus 2. A will become minus 2. So let us see. Minus 2 plus 3 means 1. So by doing a subtraction or addition, so plus into minus, minus 2. So that equal to 1 is equal to 3 minus 2, 1. So here also correct. So in addition, okay na, in addition, commutative law is okay na, satisfying the LHS and RHS. Okay na, LHS equal to RHS. So it is correct. It is correct and so it is correct. So next subtraction. I am taking subtraction. So what is that? A minus b. A minus b is equal to b minus a. Okay now, A minus b is equal to b minus a. You want to satisfy the LHS and RHS equally. So I am taking same example. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. A is equal to 2 minus b is equal to 3. So b is equal to 3 minus a is equal to 2. Okay now, a equal to 2, b is equal to 3 I am taking. So let us see. So minus 1 will come. It will become minus 1. That equal to 1. So LHS equal to RHS? No, it is not equal. So that's why in commutative law subtraction is not there. Okay now, subtraction is not satisfy the condition. Okay. Next. ఇంటీజర్స్ ఇంకా ఎలా చెప్పొచ్చు అంటే ఇంటీజర్స్ okay na, integers are under addition in commutative law. Integers are in subtraction. No. Okay na, integers are not in subtraction under commutative law. Okay na, like that. So see the multiplication. Okay na, multiplication. Let us see the multiplication. So a into b equal to b into a. Okay na, a into b is equal to b into a. You want to satisfy the LHS and RHS. So let us take a is equal to 2 into 3. So that equal to 3 into 2. So what is the value? 6 is equal to 6. So it is correct. I am changing. Okay, another integer I am taking. A is equal to minus 2. A is equal to minus 2 into 3. B same value only. Next to b into a. So what is the b value? B into minus 2. So that equal to minus 6 into minus 6. So it satisfies the again a condition. A into b is equal to b into a is equal. Okay na. So that's why integers are in multiplication under commutative law. So let us see the division. Let us see the division. So division, I am taking a divided by b. Okay na, a divided by b equal to b divided by a. Okay na, b divided by a. So you can't see. So understood? Commutative law. So in addition, okay. So it is okay. In subtraction, so no, it is not correct. Not satisfying the subtraction. No. In multiplication, okay, satisfying the condition. So you can take any example, okay na, integers, any example, minus 4 into 5. Minus 5 into minus 4. Okay, we can take any example. Next one, see the division. Okay, next one, see the division. So what is the condition? A divided by b is equal to b divided by a. Okay, b divided by a. So I am taking one example. This is only a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. A is equal to 2 divided by b is equal to 3. So that equal to b divided by 2. B divided by 2. So what is the meaning of a divided by 3 means? So 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2. So by doing the division 2, we cannot cancel. You want to put the point. Okay, you want to put the point. So 3, it will become 2 will become 20. Okay, 2 will become 20. So 3 ones, 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. So what is the value? 3 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. So what is the remainder? 1. You want to put the point, it will become 10. So 2 5 10. So 6 will come. So what is the value? 0.666 equal to 1.5. So is it equal? not equal, and also these numbers are decimals in, so we want only integers. So that's why this division condition is not satisfied under commutative law. So ikkada manaki ఏం సాటిస్ఫై చేశారండి? సో దట్ ఈస్ అడిషన్ అండ్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఓన్లీ. సో ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ integers are under integers are addition comma next multiplication under which law? Under commutative law. Under commutative law. So that is the properties of commutative law. Next we will see the associative laws. Again, associative law. So first one is closure. In closure, addition, subtraction, multiplication is satisfies, only division will not satisfy. In commutative law only addition and multiplication is satisfies. So subtraction and division is not satisfies. Next is associative law. Okay, next is associative law. In associative law also we will see the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first of all we will see the addition. So what is the condition? So three variables you want to take, a, b, c, that equal to a, b, c. Okay now. So I am telling first of all addition. Okay now. So in between you want to write down addition, plus. So we are doing the only addition. Okay. So in these three terms I am taking first two terms as bracket. Next to last two terms as bracket. Okay, last two terms as bracket. So this is the condition. A plus b into plus c, that equal to a plus in the brackets b plus c. So this is. So we will satisfy some integers by taking, let us see. I am taking a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 4. Okay. A is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4. That equal to next a is equal to 2 plus b is equal to 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 4. So that equal to here 2 plus. So first of all you want to do in brackets. Okay now. Brackets you want to do the addition. 2 plus 7. Brackets are removed. Next 4 plus 9. So 2 plus 9. So same answer now. It will satisfy the condition. So in addition, okay, in addition, associative law is satisfies the condition. So next one see the subtraction. Next one see the subtraction. So in addition satisfies. Next we will see the subtraction. So a, b, c equal to a, b, c. You want to put the minus because you are doing the subtraction. So I am taking first two digits, two terms as bracket, last two terms as bracket. So I am taking one numbers. So 2, 3, 4, A is equal to 2, minus 3 is equal to B is equal to 3, C as 4. So 2 minus 3 minus 4. So let us see. 2 minus 3 minus 1, that equal to minus 4 is there. So that equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 means minus 1. So 2 digits, okay, now two signs is there. So you want to put the minus, bracket. So minus of minus plus 4 plus 1 5. So big number having minus, so minus 5. So that is equal to 2 minus into minus plus 2 plus 1 means 3. So minus 5 is equal to 3 came. So it is satisfies? No. It is not equal. LHS equal to RHS not equal. So that's why in subtraction, okay now, in subtraction, integers of subtraction under associative law is not satisfies the condition. So it is not used. So it is not. See the third one, multiplication C. See the multiplication. ABC equal to ABC. So multiplication means you want to put the multiplication only. So that is multiplication. See, I am taking 2 into 3 into 4. So that equal to 2 into 3 into 4. So let us take 2, 3, 6. 6 into 4. So that equal to 2 into 3, 4 are 12. So first of all, you want to do the product with brackets. Okay, now in between. So in the bracket numbers only you want to do the product or subtraction or addition. Okay, first of all you want to do the brackets. So next 6 4s 24. 2 12s are 24. So is it equal? Yes, it is equal. So in multiplication, associative law is satisfies the condition. So it is true and false. LHS equal to RHS and equal. So A into P into C equal to A into B into C. So it is correct. LHS equal to RHS A. So it is not correct. So it is not correct. Not equal to numbers. Okay, it is not equal. So next you see the division. So ABC equal to ABC. Okay, ABC. So you want to put the division symbol. So next to bracket. So A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4. I am taking. So 2 divided by 3 is to 4. That equal to 2 divided by 3 divided by 4. Okay. See. 2 divided by 3 means 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means 0.66. 66 bar. Okay, let us put 0.6 so on. Divided by 4. That equal to 2 divided by. So 3 divided by 4 means 4 7s 28. So 4 7s are 28. 2 is there. So 4 5s. So 0.75 will come. So next 0.66 divided by 4. So it will become 0.1. So like that. So 0.16 and so on, like that numbers will come. So that equal to, it will become it will become, so 200 divided by 75. So 200 divided by 75. 25 threes, 25 eights. So 3 ones are 3 twos are 6.6 7 8 2 3.6 will come. Sorry, 2.6. Okay, now 2.6 and so on, like that values will come. So these two are equal, not equal, and also decimals is there. You want to get the only integers only, positive numbers, negative numbers, and zero only. So what are the numbers? This is decimals. So it does not satisfies. It does not satisfies. So is not equal. Okay, is not equal. Unequal college. So that is. So you can write integers are addition and multiplication. Addition and multiplication under associative. Under associative law. So ikkada kuda again in commutative law it satisfies only addition and multiplication. In associative also it satisfies only addition and multiplication. Okay. Next we will see associative law completed. Next one is identity property. Identity property. So next property is identity property. So understood? In integers closure. In closure addition satisfies, subtraction and also multiplication, division will not satisfy. Next commutative. In commutative addition satisfies, subtraction not, multiplication satisfies, division also not satisfies. Next associative. Associative addition multiplication is okay, but not subtraction and division. So these are the properties we have completed yesterday and today. So next one, see the identity property. Next one, see the identity property. Again, identity property. So in identity property, so there is additive identity, multiplication identity. So additive. So this is in identity properties we have additive identity and multiplication identity. So what is the condition we have for this additive identity? In additive identity we will see, so a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a only. Okay, any number, any integer, so 2 plus 0 2 only, 0 plus 2 2 only. So that is a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a only. a plus 0 చేసినా a నే వస్తుంది, 0 plus a చేసినా కూడా a నే వస్తుంది అని దాని మీనింగ్. అంటే దాని మీనింగ్ ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్. Let us take one example. So minus 4 plus 0. So what is the value? Minus 4 only. So 0 plus minus 4. So what is the value? Minus 4 only. Okay, now understood? So with any number we will add with 0 means that number only will come. 0 తో ఏం యాడ్ చేసినా అదే నెంబరే వస్తుందండి ఆన్సర్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద అడిటివ్ ఐడెంటిటీ. ఓకేనా, దట్ ఈస్ ద అడిటివ్ ఐడెంటిటీ. ఎనీ నెంబర్. సో ఒకటి 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0 5 only. So 0 plus 5 5 only. So that is a plus 0. A is integer here. A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a only. So that is the condition. Next one, see multiplicative identity. Okay, the next one is multiplicative identity. So it is a into 1 is equal to 1 into a. So that is equal to a only. So while we are doing the multiplication with 1, so 5 ones are 5 only. 1 into 5 5 only. So మీరు ఏదైనా నెంబర్ని 1తో ప్రోడక్ట్ చేస్తే సేమ్ నెంబరే వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా, సేమ్ నెంబరే. ఎనీథింగ్, ఓకేనా, ఎనీ నెంబర్ ప్రోడక్టింగ్ విత్ 1 it will become that number only. ఓకేనా, a into, so we will take one example, minus 4. Minus 4 into 1 minus 4 only. Minus 4 into 1 minus 4 only. Or 1 into minus 4 minus 4 only. Okay, like that. A into 1 that equal to 1 into a. So that equal to a only will come. So these are the two identity properties. Understood? So additive identity is a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a. In multiplicative identity, a into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to 1 only. 1 తో ఏ ప్రోడక్ట్ చేసినా అదే నెంబరే వస్తుంది, 0 తో ఏ నెంబర్ని అడిషన్ చేసినా కూడా అదే నెంబరే వస్తుందని దాని మీనింగ్. సో రెండు దానికి ఆన్సర్స్ ఒకటే. ఓకేనా, సేమ్ ఆన్సర్సే వస్తాయని దాని మీనింగ్. కానీ ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ 1 తో చేయాలి, అడిషన్ విత్ 0 తో చేయాలి. సో దట్ ఈస్. నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ ఈస్ next one, another one is it, that is fifth one, additive inverse property is there. Again, additive inverse property is there. So what is the meaning of, what is the condition of additive inverse of inverse property? So that is a condition, a plus minus a equal to 0. Okay, so because of a plus into minus only. Okay, so positive a negative a will become 0. So that equal to 0. So that is a plus minus a is equal to 0. So let us take one example. 4 plus minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, equal to 0. Okay, any example? So I am taking minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. So that means one number will be positive, another number will be negative. So it will become cancelled. The answer will become 0. So that is the additive inverse of property. So I have the number 5. That means another number will be minus 5. So plus 5 minus 5 will become 0. So I have 17. So another number will become minus 17. by doing the addition it will become 0. Okay na? I have 49. Okay na? I have minus 49. So another number is plus 49. Okay na? So same numbers is there, opposite signs are there. So it will become, by doing the addition, that two numbers it will become 0. Okay, I have minus 49. Another number is plus 49. So minus 49 plus 49 it will become 0 by doing the cancellation. So that is the properties of closure property, commutative property, associative property, identity property, additive inverse property. So see once again in your textbook. So this is the important chapter for you. So this is also important properties. Let us see the exercise. See the exercise 1.3. See the exercise 1.3. So identify the law in the following statement. You want to identify the law. Which law? That is closure or commutative or associative law you want to identify. Let us see. Minus 3. Minus 3 plus 5 equal to 5 plus minus 3. So see, so this is the A plus B is equal to B plus A. A plus B is equal to B plus A. What is that one? Commutative law. Commutative law under addition. Okay na? So additive commutative. Okay na? Additive commutative law or property you can call. Okay na? Additive commutative. Okay na? Addition of commutative లేదా additive commutative property, commutative law, like that. Next, second one, see, minus 2 into 1, that equal to 1 into minus 2, so that equal to minus 2 only. So now only I told A into 1 is equal to 1 into A, so that equal to A only will come. So this is multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Okay, now multiplicative identity property. Next one, third one, see. Minus 5 into 2 into 3. Minus 5 into 2 into 3. That equal to. Next one also same numbers. Minus 5 into 2 into 3. Okay, now they given for you the brackets. Last two numbers, first two numbers. So this is 3 numbers వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుందంటే 3 వచ్చినప్పుడు 1 2 3 ABC product. So associative under multiplication కదా, associative under multiplication. So we will call it as multiplicative associative property. Okay na, లేదంటే multiplication under associative law. Multiplication under associative law. So that is the last. Next one, see. Fourth one I didn't told for you. Distribution law చెప్పలేదు. So distribution law. So distribution law in addition. Again, distribution law in addition. They given for you distribution law in addition. See, A into B plus C, that equal to A. See here, distribution means, okay na, distribution means ఈ 3 వేరియబుల్స్ కి డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంటాయి. అసోసియేటివ్ అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇంటూ వస్తే ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇంటూ రావాలి, ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ వస్తే ఇక్కడ కూడా, అన్ని ఒకే సింబల్స్ తో ఉంటుంది అసోసియేటివ్. డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ మీన్స్ ప్లస్ ఉంటే ఒకసారి ఇంటూ ఉంటే ఒకసారి ప్లస్ ఉంటుంది, ఒకసారి ఇంటూ ఉంటే ఒకసారి నెగిటివ్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, అలా ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. So it will satisfy the condition or not, we will see. Let us see. A into B, by going inside A, we will do the product with B and also C. So A into B will become, by going to inside A into B, A into B, completed. Next, plus into plus. Okay, now A having also plus. No symbol means it will have plus symbol. So plus into plus, plus only. Okay, now plus only. Next, A into C. A into C will come. A into C. So let us take one example. 2 into 3 plus 4. 2 into 3 plus 4. So it will become 2 into 3. Okay, now with 2, take the product with 3 and also 2 producting with 4 also. Plus in the middle plus 2 into 4. So what is the value? 2 into 3 plus 4 means 7. So it equal 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. So 14. So 6 plus 8 also 14. So it satisfies the condition. So in distribution law, again in distribution law, under addition is satisfying the condition. Okay. So that is one example they given for you. ఆ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కూడా మనకి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది కదండి. సో విల్ డూ సేమ్ లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ. 18 into 7 plus minus 3. So plus into minus minus. So 17 into 7 minus 3 it will become 4. So 18 4s are 18 3s. 18 4s 72. Okay, 18 4s 72 will come. Next one, see in RHS. 18 7s are 18 7s are 126. 18 7s 126. So in LHS, 18 4s are 72 K. So that equal to in RHS 18 7s are 126. Okay, now next 18 3s are 54 by doing the subtraction 6 minus 2 7. So equal. So 72 equal to 72 km. Understood or not? Same like this problem only you want to do. Chese meeku ila vastundi. So 72 equal to 72. So this is the distribution law under addition. Next see, minus 5 into 6 that equal to 30, minus 30. So it is what only LHS they given. That means closure. Okay, now closure property, closure law under multiplication. So multiplicative closure property. Okay, next see, a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a. So what is that one? Additive. Okay, now additive identity. Additive identity property. So that is the first Roman. See the second Roman. So what will be the sign of the product of the following? So first question is 24 times of negative integer. 24 times of negative integer. That means negative integer ni 24 times product cheyalanta. Okay na? 24 times of negative integer. 24 times of negative integer. 24 times of negative integer. So negative integer ni itla minus into minus into minus into minus. So itla minus ఎన్నిసార్లు రాయాలంటే 24 టైమ్స్ రాయాలంట. 24 టైమ్స్ రాసి దాన్ని ప్రోడక్ట్ చేయాలంట. మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్, ప్లస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ మైనస్, మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్. సో లైక్ దట్. So it will take so much of time. So we will do shortcut. Okay, now we will do the shortcut. So what they given? Minus 24 times, okay, 24 times of negative integer. So negative integer you want to do with 24 times. So like that. 24 times means in the power of 24. So minus in the power of 24. So minus is there. So minus with the 24 times you want to product. That means this is even number. In even number minus will become positive. Already I told. Okay now. If there is in the power of even number, okay now, if there is in the power of even number, power lo even number unte ఆ మైనస్ అనేది ప్లస్ అయిపోతుందండి. ఓకే నా మైనస్ అనేది ప్లస్ అయిపోతుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ అండర్స్టూడ్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 35 times of negative integer. So I am taking negative integer. Next time power is 35. So minus power of 35. So 35 is the odd number. 35 is the odd number. So in the power we have odd number. Odd number means it will be the sign will become same. Okay, symbol అనేది అలానే వచ్చేస్తుంది, చేంజ్ కాదు. ఈవెన్ పవర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మైనస్ అనేది పాజిటివ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా, ఇన్ ఈవెన్ పవర్ మైనస్ విల్ బికమ్ పాజిటివ్. ఇన్ ఆడ్ పవర్ మైనస్ విల్ బికమ్ మైనస్ ఓన్లీ. అండర్స్టూడ్. ఇన్ ఈవెన్ పవర్ మైనస్ విల్ బికమ్ పాజిటివ్. In odd power minus will become minus only. So this is important. Next one, see third one. So you are not understood means I will tell one example. See, minus power of 4. Let us see. Minus power of 4. So minus is there in the power 4. 4 means even number. Even number will come means minus will become positive. Why means let us see. Minus you want to write down how many times? 4 times. Minus into minus into minus into minus. Understood? So minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. Minus into minus plus. Understood? So minus to the power of even power is there means it will become positive. Okay, I am taking odd number. Okay, minus to the power of odd number. So minus not write down 3 times. 1 2 3 times. So minus into minus plus into minus minus. Understood? So minus in the power of even power means it will become positive. Minus in the power of even means it will become positive. Minus in the power of odd number means it will become negative. So that is the meaning. Remaining problems you will see the next class.